Hey, what's up, guys? All right, so now in this video, what we're going to be working on is displaying the updates that the user or the user has created within this page. And then the other thing that we're going to work on is doing a check for this particular what you call it, where we action the request itself. So the simplest way we can do this is that I'm going to start off by getting the value. So I'm going to say get, let's just say get action state. So here what we do is action state. Let me just copy that there, and the value we are looking for is action state. And then here we say ID equals to that ID over there, the ID we're getting from the parameter there. So now what we do is we're going to copy this. So here I'm going to say if the action state is equals to, or it's not equal to action, and then proceed to change the status of the what you call it, change do an update on the request itself and change the status to pending and then action, and that's it. So that every time when we insert an update onto this particular request, it doesn't keep changing that value. All right, so um, yeah, that's fine. So now up here, what we need to do is get the updates themselves. So I'm gonna go there, which is gonna equal to this. Uh, don't know if I should do it this way, but in any case, it's fine. Actually, no. Yeah, I'm wrong. So it's supposed to be where ID, or actually where request ID is equal to that ID over there. And then what we're gonna do is a join. So since we wanna also see who did the update, we're gonna create a join here. And I'll say join, and then I'll say users, and then here we're gonna get just hold on, I just want to check my notes. So we're gonna say request updates dot updated by, equals to, and then I'm going to say users dot id. I think I got that right. Then we're going to say select users um, dot all, and then yeah, I think that's it. Then I can say um, also all. I hope I got that right. In any case, now we need to pass this to the view. Let me change this. And I can say request updates. And I can pass that there. Okay. So hopefully I did everything correctly here. So now within the request updates, we're going to create another table. All right, so this is a card. So I'm going to create another card within this row. We can change this. I'm basically going to do the exact same thing I did here within the dashboard. I'm going to copy this here and then paste it over here. All right, I'm also going to take the structure of the table here. Okay, so now what we need to do is change that. So what we need is the, what do we need? We need the, I guess we can take the ID, and then we can take the, um, we can display maybe the name of the of the of the of the user who did the update. So here what we're gonna do is, sorry, we're gonna say updated by, and then here we will display the update. and then I think maybe we can say created at as well. So we can say, then we can delete the rest of these. Uh, I want to say name update. All right, so I'm gonna say ID, and then here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say first name, then I'm gonna concatenate um, this and say update last name. Hopefully I'm doing it right, and then after that we need the update itself. That's how I named it. Yeah. Okay, and then we need created at, and the rest of these can go. Okay, so I hope I did everything correctly, but yeah, I think that should be fine. So it's request updates, update ID, first name, and there's a space there, and last name. So, by the way, I need to change this. So I'm going to make this about 8 columns, and then I'm going to change this top one to about 4 columns. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, count parameter must be an array of an object that implements countable. Okay, count request updates. Okay, let me remove the if statement and see how it works. Okay, so it's not displaying the what you call it, the request. Now let me just check something. Oh, my apologies for that. I forgot about the get method. Okay, I'm assuming that's why the if statement didn't work, because I didn't do the get method over there. So let me just quickly change that back. Okay, so looks like it's fine. All right, so we're displaying the what you call it, the the updates over there. So all right, so that's fine. Just want to put a space between these two. So um, on this particular card, what I'll do is say margin right. See now, all right. And then I'm gonna expand it a little bit to about 5 columns. Oh, that effed it up. Okay. Change this to 6 columns. Okay, so doesn't look like it's gonna work with that. Okay, yeah, no, that's not gonna work. So let me just change this back to about 7 columns, and then this to about 4 columns. Okay, so I'll leave the update request card as it is, and then for this one, um, let me change the style a little bit there. Uh, Maybe make this one primary, I think. All right, I think that should be fine. So right now what I want to do is I want to put another update in there, but I want to change this display message. I'm going to remove that so that it spans the whole page. Okay, I'm going to add another one. Let's see. Okay, so it added the um, what's that? Uh, um, okay, so it's not adding it per row. So I think I need to change that. Let's see how it looks now. Okay. All right. So yeah, it's now updating the request, and so now, and whenever anyone wants to see what's the update on this, let me just expand it a little bit again. Okay. So in any case, we are now able to insert updates for this particular request. So everything is working fine. The only issue that we have is the styling of the page itself. But as you can see, at least now we can insert updates, etc. So, um, but until the case is closed, they're gonna stay to pending and actioned. All right, so I think that should be it for this particular video. We've sorted out what we needed to do in terms of updating the request and actioning it and so forth. So within the next video, what we're going to do is add an action button here where we can close this particular request once we've sorted out the issue. And then, yeah, but in any case, that's it for the video, guys. Again, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you guys within the next video. Cheers for now.